In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Telegram videos to your Photos gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram and then get into a conversation you want to download a video from. The video can be sent to you by someone in two different formats, as a video or as a file. If you see that video preview here, it means that it is sent to you as a video, and to download it, all we have to do is just tap on it to play it. Then tap right here at three dots and hit Save Video. That will immediately save it to your camera roll, and you can easily find it if you open up Photos. Here it is. If the video was sent to you as a file, first off we need to tap at that file, then tap right here at Share, and then tap at Save Video. That will also save it directly to the camera roll, and that's where you can easily find it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.